Welcome to the ISB PGP application guide for 2027 to 28 by GOALisB. This year marks a significant milestone as the Indian School of Business celebrates 25 years of its flagship postgraduate program in management. ISB boasts a global network of over 20,000 alumni across 60 plus countries, including 800 plus C-suite leaders and 1,200 plus entrepreneurs, with founders of 13 unicorns. The institution's 70 plus resident faculty have produced 890 plus peer-reviewed publications and trained over 13,000 government officials. The ISB PGP class of 2026 achieved remarkable placement results with 1,117 job offers. The average cost to company rose to 137.29 lakh per annum, marking an 11% increase from the previous cohort. The highest offer reached 11.56 crore, and there was a 156% increase in cost to company compared to the cohort's pre-ISB average. If you look at the ISB placements, the top hiring sectors for ISB PGP include consulting with firms like McKinsey and BCG, technology giants such as Amazon and Google, banking, financial services and insurance with MasterCard leading, and e-commerce and fast-moving consumer goods featuring Flipkart and Procter & Gamble. These sectors highlight the diverse opportunities available to graduates. ISB's placement success is evident with 25 new recruiters including UBS and NTT Data joining campus placements. International offers increased to 30. Notably, 67% of students transitioned to new industries and 69% to new functions, showcasing the program's transformative impact on career mobility. Now coming to the ISB PGP class profile, the ISB PGP cohort comprises 826 students with an average age of 26, ranging from 21 to 45 years. The average work experience is 4.02 years, with a range from 2 to 17 years. This diverse cohort brings a wealth of experience and perspectives to the program. The ISB PGP cohort showcases gender diversity with 53% male students totaling 439 and 47% female students totaling 387. This balance reflects ISB's commitment to fostering an inclusive learning environment. In terms of years of work experience, the ISB PGP cohort predominantly consists of 526 students with 2 to 4 years of work experience. This highlights ISB's emphasis on nurturing early career professionals poised for leadership roles. Additionally, 210 students have 4 to 6 years, 55 have 6 to 8 years, and 35 have over 8 years of experience. What is the GMAT score for ISB? Indian School of Business's Graduate Management Admission Test. Classic scores range from 640 to 780 with an average and median of 720. The Graduate Management Admission Test focus scores range from 555 to 765 with an average of 669 and a median of 675. These scores reflect the competitive academic standards at Indian School of Business. And what is a good GRE score for ISB? ISB's GRE score profile shows a range from 306 to 336 with an average score of 327 and a median of 328. Only test center based GMAT/GRE scores are accepted. Online or at home scores are not considered. What is the eligibility criteria for ISB for the 2027 intake? To be eligible for the Indian School of Business postgraduate program, candidates need a bachelor's degree or equivalent, at least 2 years of full-time work experience by March 31st, 2027, and graduate management admission test or graduate record examinations test center based scores. Test of English as a foreign language or international English language testing system is required if English wasn't the primary language of instruction for your undergraduate degree. What are the deadlines for ISB admissions in 2026 to 27? This year, ISB application rounds have 3 deadlines. Round 1 on September 20th, 2026, Round 2 on December 6th, 2026, and Round 3 on January 17th, 2027. Applications are reviewed post-deadline and only shortlisted candidates proceed to interviews. The current deadline is September 20th, 2026. How does ISB select admits? ISB employs a holistic review process evaluating academics, experience, essays, recommendations, and tests. Shortlisted candidates are invited for interviews. Admission decisions on the applicant portal. Now, let's discuss ISB scholarships. ISB provides scholarships based on merit, need, and diversity. Merit and diversity scholarships are automatically considered during admissions, offering 25% to 100% tuition waivers. Need-based scholarships require a separate application, available post-PGP submission, with waivers ranging from 75% to 100% for families with income up to 120 lakh. Let's explore key ISB scholarships. The ISB Merit Waiver offers 25% to 100% tuition waivers automatically. The Professor Mansa Mandava Memorial awards 50% to high merit women. The ISB Need Cum Merit Waiver provides 100% for families earning up to 18 lakh, requiring an essay and income proof. Armed Forces and International Diversity waivers offer 50% and 25 to 100% respectively, with no application needed. Here are some more ISB scholarships you should know of. Alumni Endowed Scholarships offer significant financial support. The Taparia Family, JC Flowers ARC, and Bajaj Auto Scholarships provide full tuition waivers. Vidula Jalan Scholarship covers tuition, admission, and accommodation for 2 students. The Deepak Parayankin Waiver awards 115 lakh each with a focus on female students. Aditya Shembekar Scholarship is need-based, offering a 25% waiver. International scholarships at ISB include merit waivers for non-Indian origin applicants, ISB ISEC for ISEC alumni, and Bridge to India for Indian passport holders abroad. La Caixa and Casa Asia covers total expenditure for Spanish citizens, while Talentia is for Andalusian applicants. Each applicant can receive only one waiver, with criteria subject to change. Does ISB accept reapplicants? Yes. ISB reapplicants to any program should update their profiles in the ISB application portal. ISB reapplicants must disclose that they are reapplying and when they previously reapplied. Submitting new GMAT scores is not mandatory. Even the previous essays can be reused. However, we at GOALisB definitely suggest that you should rethink your story before you resubmit. When you are applying to ISB, there are some special cases where the application process is slightly different. For medical professionals applying to ISB, a 1-year internship is considered education, not work experience. A master's degree counts as part-time study, but full-time professional experience. Chartered accountants applying to ISB can list their articleship as part-time education and full-time professional experience, though it doesn't count towards eligibility work experience. In the ISB application portal, list your most recent professional experience first. If you have multiple current roles, prioritize your primary role. Only one role can be full-time if overlapping. For eligibility, full-time is 40 plus hours per week. ISB assumes your current role ends a week before PGP classes with a cutoff date of March 31st, 2027. The ISB essays allow you to share your personal story beyond academic scores and achievements. ISB values the narratives and nuances that define you. Remember to save your essay drafts regularly. ISB essay prompts this year include 3 key essays. Essay 1 focuses on leadership, asking about unique experiences that shaped you as a leader. ISB Essay 2 explores your intellectual journey towards an MBA. Essay 3 is optional, inviting you to share unique perspectives or experiences that contribute to the ISB community. Now, about ISB recommendation letter. ISB required 1 letter of recommendation only. Who should you choose as your recommender for the ISB admission process? Choose direct and current supervisors for recommendations. Past supervisors, managers, or clients are acceptable. Ensure the recommender uses a professional email and checks spam folders. Recommendations must be submitted by September 25th, 2026. Indian School of Business alumni recommendations hold no extra weight. How do you add your GMAT scores in the ISB application portal? Select between GMAT Classic or GMAT Focus in the application portal. Upload a PDF scan of the official test center score report, including appointment number, test date, and all scores. Request Graduate Management Admission Council/Pearson VUE to send the official score to Indian School of Business using school code N2D-J5-01. Verify all scores and percentiles for accuracy to avoid application rejection. How do you add your GRE score to the ISB admission portal? Upload your official graduate record examination score report or a screenshot of unofficial scores from the test center. Request Educational Testing Service to send the official score to Indian School of Business using school code 7892, allowing about 2 weeks for delivery. Enter verbal, quantitative, and analytical writing assessment scores with percentiles accurately. Only test center-based graduate record examination scores are accepted. One more piece of information about the ISB application portal. Ensure all documents are in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format, each under 2 megabytes. Merge related documents into one PDF. For proof of income, upload a payslip from the last 3 months, or supporting documents like an offer letter, revision letter, or bank statement matching the cost to company entered. Ensure your ISB postgraduate program application is complete and submitted by the deadline, as incomplete applications won't be evaluated. Recommendations must be professional, not personal. Graduate Management Admission Test/Graduate Record Examinations scores are valid for 5 years and must be sent to ISB within 2 weeks of the deadline. ISB interviews are face-to-face or via Zoom with no changes allowed. In ISB, ranked 12th globally in the Financial Times Global Master of Business Administration Ranking 2026, is renowned for developing leaders who shape the world. Apply by September 20th, 2026 for Round 1. For assistance, contact GOALisB ISB Admission Consultants at contact@goalisb.com or visit goalisb.com.